The trade war between the US and Canada has intensified, with US President Donald Trump and Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau locking horns in a tit-for-tat tariff battle that could leave everyday consumers paying the price. Trump's administration imposed heavy tariffs on Canadian goods, starting with a 25% tax on all imports and a 10% tariff on energy exports like oil, natural gas and electricity. The goal: to combat illegal immigration and pressure Canada to take stronger action against the spread of fentanyl. Trump argues these measures will help protect US citizens, but the reality for Canadians and Americans alike is far from simple. In a swift and pointed response, Prime Minister Justin Trudeau announced retaliatory tariffs on $155 billion worth of US products. Starting Tuesday, $30 billion worth of goods will be taxed, with the remaining $125 billion following soon after. Trudeau defended this move as necessary to protect Canada's economy and industries from what he called unfair and harmful US trade practices. But the question remains: who will actually bear the brunt of these escalating tariffs? At their core, tariffs are taxes placed on imported goods. When a country imposes tariffs, it makes foreign products more expensive, which can encourage consumers to buy local goods instead. For example, if the US increases the price of Canadian steel by applying a tariff, American buyers are more likely to choose steel produced in the US instead. However, the real impact is felt by consumers, who face higher prices on everyday items. In Canada, the retaliatory tariffs on US goods will make many products, ranging from food to electronics, more expensive. The increase in prices for US products could lead Canadians to spend more at the checkout, while American consumers could face similar price hikes on Canadian imports. The ongoing trade war may sound like a battle between two political leaders, but it's everyday consumers who will feel the heat. Higher tariffs mean higher prices for goods, whether it's food, cars, or appliances. When businesses in both countries face rising costs, those extra expenses typically get passed down to consumers, leaving them with fewer options and heavier bills. As the US-Canada trade war heats up, President Donald Trump is warning Americans to prepare for rising prices on goods affected by the latest round of tariffs. With both the US and Canada slapping hefty taxes on each other's imports, consumers on both sides of the border are now caught in the crossfire of an economic battle between two of the world's largest trading partners.